Hello and thanks for joining us. In this video we'll be looking at two powerful and effective fans. These fans come in a low level and high level option, both incredibly powerful pieces of cooling equipment. The tall fan is adjustable and can reach heights up to 2.1 meters. It also has a base that can be filled with sand or water for extra stability. Please note, when hiring this you will need a transformer and extension to power the fan. With the smaller fan, we recommend you use an RCD breaker. Both fans are easy to transport and manoeuvre. You can keep these fans wherever you need if you have the power and space. They work great in areas with limited ventilation. Offices, warehouses, factories, shops and school halls can benefit from the fan's power output and adjustable bodies. For demonstration purposes, we are working on the high level power fan. Both work in a very similar way. To get started, set the unit up on a firm level surface where air from the fan can circulate freely through the area and where motor noise will not be a nuisance. The tilting body has a heavy duty guard and a robust stand with rubber wheels, so moving it around in the correct area won't be difficult. You can adjust the fan's height by loosening either the wing nut or turning the lock collar, allowing you to raise or lower as required. Just don't forget to retighten. Next, choose the airflow direction in the horizontal and vertical plane by loosening the appropriate lever. Plug the unit into its power supply, switch it on and adjust the speed as required. Please note that the supply lead may require connecting to the fan unit on some models. The speed is controlled by turning the dial or pressing the appropriate speed selection button depending on the model. Where a single control is fitted, press and hold until the fan reaches a desired speed. To switch it off, press the button once. On some models it is possible to set the fan head to sweep an airflow from side to side. Before selecting this option, ensure the fan's path of travel will not be obstructed. Do remember that the airflow will disturb dust, litter and possibly someone's carefully prepared paperwork, so think before you switch the unit on, as that could be annoying to clear. If you want to learn more or view our full range of tools and equipment, visit hss.com today.